way. This.
Kick it really hard. Good job.
It's going too hard. Let's go into hockey rink. Let's go into hockey rink. Let's go into the hockey rink. It's really so cool. I almost fell. Because the brother had me attacked me. Had me attacked me. It attacked me. You'll be always a friend of me.
Okay. You can't catch me. Can't catch me. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I'm faster than you.
What happened to this place?
It got dirty. It got worn out from hockey players and their skates and their hockey sticks and hockey pucks
Pups?
and their hockey pads.
Yeah, buddy, this way in front of me.
Ah! 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 There's a biker is chasing me. Ah! Someone on the bike's chasing me. Let me fix your helmets. Run! Ah! Ah! Okay.
Stop way. We may go both ways.
Okay.
This way and that way. Well, this way and that way.
Okay.
You can look at it.
There's no traffic, no cars.
Now we can go.
Yes.
Where's my grandma? Grandma's going to my house. All the way to Nana's house. Going past to Nana's house. And going all the way to my house.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello there. Say hello.
She's so angry. She's so angry. She's sweeping about her wings.
You gonna climb onto my shoe again? There you go. Climb on.
No?
It's on my shoe now. Now let's get it on your shoe. Stick your shoe out. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, you almost got it. Oh well.
Let's get away from cicadas.
Okay.
What's the lady say?
What?
Wait. And I said, I see another cicada. I said, there's another cicada.
There's another one?
No, over
Yeah,
here.
they're everywhere, aren't they?
Yeah, everywhere.
They're really loud too. Do you?
Cicada?
Little squirrel? Squirrels and cicadas are talking. Cicada? What are you doing?
She's sleeping.
Let's see if it'll, maybe it'll climb on the stick.
Ah!
You want to hold the stick?
No.
You can hold the end.
It's scary.
Yeah.
She's sleeping on the stick. She's busy sleeping on the stick. I need to go home. My cicadas over here.
Yeah, they just leave their little exoskeletons around. They're not, those aren't alive. Exoskeletons are not alive.
They need to sleep.
Nope, they're dead. Exoskeletons are not alive. They're dead.
Come on, skeleton. Take my helmet off. Can you help me take my helmet off? Is it almost here yet?
Maybe.
He is?